Would you like your extended editor buttons to appear above the editing area instead of after? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 204 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you are there, check out all the information and tools that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJOOMLA and you will get your first month free. All right, so let's take a look at what we're talking about today. Now, we're going to go to content, articles, and add a new article. You see, I have a few things left I need to update on this site. I'm behind on that. The extended buttons, at least I'm assuming that's what XTD is short for. The extended buttons show up here down after the editor field or area for articles and other places in your Joomla site. So down here, and here, these are different plugins and extra buttons that I have added to this Joomla install. We have one for adding code from regular labs, inserting an article, dummy content. You've seen a lot of these on other videos that I've done. Now, it's not always intuitive for users to look for these down here, and maybe you want to provide them up here, and the way to do that is to add a little bit of custom CSS to the administrator template that you're using for your Joomla site. Oops, after recording this video, I forgot that I was going to mention this is a solution that came out of a discussion on the Joomla Facebook page, and I will post a link in the description below. I'm not going to mention who it was because it was just something generally that I was reading, thought was a good idea, and I don't want to post any pictures or use any names without people's permission, but it's on Facebook, so if you want to visit that discussion, you can use the link below. All right, back to the regular scheduled program. Now, to do that, I'm just going to cancel and close out here. We will go to extensions and templates, and then we're going to go to templates. All right. Next, we're going to use this drop down to go to the administrator templates. The first time in, it'll default to site. You'll see your site templates. Go to administrator and then go to the administrator template that you're using. Probably ISIS or ISIS. It was named ISIS before ISIS was a super bad thing. Click on ISIS details and files. And then what you're going to do is click on the CSS folder, and you're going to make a file called custom.css in this folder, and that's where we're going to put this custom code. And this is where you put custom code for changing other things in the template. All right, so we're going to go, first of all, new file. Now we click CSS, and we select that folder. Up here, we go custom. All right, and the file type will be CSS. We'll create. Now we have that file there. It's highlighted. Now we can paste the text in there. Now, just so that you have an idea of what that text is, I'm going to put it in the video description down below. But if for some reason you can't find that or don't see that, this is the code that you want to put here. All right. And I will just put that up for a second. You can pause the video so you can type it somewhere. And what you're going to do is take this code, all right, copy it. We're going to paste it into the custom.css file. We're going to save. In fact, in this case, we're going to save and close. And that's great. Now we will close. We will go back to content, articles, add new article. And now all of our XTD buttons, our extended buttons, if that's what that means, now appear at the top of the editing screen, editing area, not at the bottom. So anybody who is new to your site that was going to use any of these, maybe it's a staff member, maybe it's your client, maybe these are buttons you make available to your users who are adding content, they will see them at the top. Of course, they have all these other areas here, and they have the editor buttons here. This is JCE editor, by the way, but this will put those buttons up above, handy dandy, where everybody can find them, and that will maybe be a better layout for some of your users or yourself. So there you have it. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications of new things happening here on the channel. You know all that stuff. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.